In this video, we are going to see about a small accessory which covers the gear lever, and that is mainly because when we try to shift this gear with a bare foot or when we wear Hawaii, obviously our finger touches over there, and which in turn causes burns over there. So to prevent this, I saw some accessory over the market, and it belongs to the brand named Protaper. It's a silicone gear cover. So as we all know, silicone is a soft material. So I believe this should surely help. So it costs around 60 rupees, and it's a universal product which fits any bike's gear lever, and it's going to be a direct straight fit, and the material and the quality is so good for the cost that we pay. So this is how it has to be treated. So it takes at least 5 to 10 minutes of full of your effort, because it's a tight fit. Okay, so just clean this area, and we have to keep on rotating until the whole product goes inside. So we have to rotate up to 5 to 10 minutes with full effort. Only then we can install. Finally, I have done it. The edge of the gear and the silicone matches. So yeah, so I feel some considerable difference over there, but not much. But something is better than nothing. It's such a kind of thing. So with this, we'll close this video. Thank you all for watching.